Hey, you guys, and welcome.
Wait.
Dude, I
Give him the first annual cast of the day.
Well, you're not gonna tell me how to do it though?
No, bro. I mean, I showed you the button, the first cast. I already started it with the intro, so go ahead. Oh my God. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to Bassinet Fishing. My name is Aaron, and today I'm here with my buddy Jack, Reckless Records. Check him out on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for both of us. If you like the video, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more content from me in the future, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Today I'm out here with Jack, and it's his first time fishing ever.
Man, I don't know, but I'm pretty excited to do this thing, man. I think we should get it started.
But I mean, he's got good chances here. He's here with me. I think he can catch a fish. But we're gonna give him the first annual cast of the day.
Let's do it, man.
It's already late in the day, so let's get this thing going.
Well, you're not gonna tell me how to do it though?
No, bro. I mean, I showed you the button that you had to do. I would just want to get the video on, like, the first cast. I already started it with the intro, so go ahead. Oh my God. Oh my God, dude.
Is that your hat?
Are you kidding me?
Is that your hat?
Dude, my hat is in the water.
Oh,
you ripped it off of my head.
Damn, you like this hat, man?
I mean, it's one of my favorite hats. It's my California Republic hat, yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, brother.
Yeah. Oh my God, bro. Well, if that's any telltale of how our day is gonna go, I mean, we're in for a treat.
Oh, this should be good, man.
All right, you guys, stay tuned. We're gonna be getting to some fishing done. Oh God, that was crazy. All right. Oh, you kidding me? Yes, sirree. That's what I'm talking about. Choke the Christy critter. Look at that. Look at that, boy. Yes, sir. That's a good one. .8. Not bad. Oh no, it's all right. Yes, sir. I saw him come out from under that bridge and go and grab that thing. I can't wait for y'all to see this video. Not huge, 2.5 pounds, but hey, he does it. All I'm doing, guys, is I'm throwing this Christy critter right here, Texas rig, on a 3/0 hook. Man, I'm telling you, that bass literally just came out from underneath that bridge and smashed that thing. So much fun, dude. I'm gonna keep throwing it because, I mean, I've already caught 2 off of this and lost 1, and I haven't even been here an hour yet. So we're gonna keep throwing the Christy critter GoPro highlight. There's one. Whoa. Right there on the Christy critter, my friend. Texas rig. Look at that. Ooh. Just a little guy. All right, chill. All right, there we go. He going back. GoPro highlight. That was on the Christy critter, you guys. That was literally like the 3rd cast using it. I got hit on the 1st cast, and then I got nothing on the 2nd, and I switched over to the crankbait. But the Christy critter, it paid off, man. I mean, it's literally black and red flake. Good presentation, not too big. It does the trick. Look at that. All right, let's keep going. Got one, crankbait. Look at that, on the deep diving crankbait right there. Look at that. Let's get this bad boy off of here. It's not a bad one right there either. GoPro highlight. All I did was throw it over here in the shallows with that deep diving crankbait and just bounce it off some of these weeds and these little rocks that are over here on the bank. And it produced one right there. Let's put them back. GoPro highlight. Not so bad. There we go. There we go, boy. Here we go. You almost got off right there. Whew. He smashed it. At least 2 pounds. Yeah, at least 2 pounds. Well, we got it. He's about 2 pounds, you guys. Beautiful fish. Smashed that chatterbait. Jesus. Woo. Yep, on the chatterbait. He going back in.
Nice.
Beautiful, man.
Hey, wait, hold up, let me see. He's pretty chunky too, man.
Oh yeah.
Caught him in this shade.
Uh-huh, he smashed it. Whew. Yeah, he good. All right, he going in. First fish of the day right there on the chatterbait. There he goes, he's off. Whew. GoPro highlight.
We're in that shade.
In the shade.
Where, over there?
Uh-huh.